Hello everyone! Welcome to another class of Art is Your Destiny. Today, we're going to be drawing an hot dog. So let's get started. First, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing his nose. We're going to be drawing one wave like that. It's his nose. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing one line right above the nose, but it has to have some space. Let's draw two bumps. One and two. Like that. Perfect. Let's draw two dots in each of those bumps. One is bigger, one is small. Like that. Now let's draw the mouth underneath the nose. What I'm going to be doing, before I draw the mouth, I'm going to be adding the nose. Making the nose a little bit higher. If you want, you can do the same if you think it's too far down. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to draw basically like a crescent moon, but it's just sleeping. Like this. The mouth. One like that. Crescent one like that. Is just a bit. Let me show you. Like that. And one down like that. Let's draw another one but just one line curving up like that for the teeth. If you think it's going a little bit off track, you can erase that and make sure it touches the center point. It's like he's showing his teeth. Now what we're going to be drawing is we're going to be drawing the meat in it. Is that? He's going to be hanging a guitar. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make this go a little tall. Like that. Like this. And I'm going to stop. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing above at the top. Not here, but above here. I'm going to be drawing a shape like this. Just for the hair. Just copy it. Shape like that. Basically like a pony's tail or something. And we're going to draw more of those. One curve like that. Just inside in this one like that. I'm going to add one more here for the hair. Now we're going to be drawing from that. We're going to be going down. We're going to be going down like that. Keep going down and curve. A lot lower, so about where you think the pants would be. And draw a straight line underneath. Just a little bit, not too much. Now do the same with the other one. This. And straight. He is very fat. So what we can do is if we want, we can make this part a little bit skinnier. This, if you want. I'm gonna be making it. If you think it's good for you, and you want to make it really fat, you can do that. But I'm not making it too fat. He's gonna be a singer. He's gonna be a hot dog singer. Go down, go. If you want, you can do it. So I made much more stiffer. That's better. Now, what I'm going to be doing is from his glasses, I'm going to be going up there like that and that. For his glasses. And now color the bumps, but not the small circles in it. Like that. Great. Now what I'm going to be doing is we're going to draw one of the hands going out. We're going to draw one rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Make sure it's like this at the end. Not completely straight, but just like this. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing like how a bear paw looks like. If you've seen bear paws, those little yummy snacks. Like this. His hand's going to be going out. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing an electric guitar. Like this. First we're going to be, but instead, what we're going to be doing is our part is going to be going from the guitar. It's going to be going like that. Actually, I'm going to lower it a bit. I don't want it to crash into the mouth. That's going to look bad. This. Actually, we're going to make it longer. We need to fit 6 holes inside it. It's going to be different from a guitar. Six holes. Dots inside it like this. Now we're going to be drawing part going down like this. We're going to draw that. Basically like this thing. And draw 1, 2 lines out like this. Make sure they look like the same. We'll go with little in. And do the same with another one. Decorate the guitar and make it look so cool. Let's do like a leaf. Like this. Cool, eh? Let's draw a circle here, but we're not gonna color it like a guitar. We're gonna draw strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 special strings. And then here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the more. Just like that. And get this and try to make one in a straight line, not too straight line. Because there's strings, but it's still right. I got that perfect. A little more strings. It looks good. Like that. Perfect. Let's attach that there. Cut that off a bit. Now we're gonna raise this part, sadly. Around there. Around here. Because we gotta draw a hand. Like that. And I'm gonna draw another bear, basically. 1, 2, 3. Great. Got that. Right. I got that ready. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing the rest of the meat. We're going to go down like that. So since it's going to be short, I'm going to be changing this. You're going to be changing this a lot in this episode. It's kind of fast, but it's good. It's good. Let's draw the belt. But everything from the top. Let's draw both now. One rectangle. Like this. We're gonna draw square. These are rectangle, one is square as that. Draw another small square inside and draw a ceiling. So here you go. Oh, it's a little blurry. Let's see, color it. Actually, just draw a small square inside and color it in black. And leave that square white, but the rectangle is colored black. Like this. Perfecto. Voila. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing the pant. The jeans. We're going to go down like this and down like this. For his legs. See a little bump there. I'm going to go down. Get skinnier along the way. See, get skinnier. Not too skinny, but get skinnier. Do you see it? Stick where the ties are, like over here and here. Stick there, but it gets skinnier as it goes down. Here and here, it gets skinnier as it goes down. Let's draw his shoes now. First, I want you to draw one big bump like that. It's kind of weird, but just draw it and color it in. Now, let's draw a small little bump inside. Great, let's do the tracing now. I have a sharp. Perfect. I love this. I hope you like this. Bye.